Traffic surveyors in Jaewar Noida play a crucial role in monitoring and analyzing the traffic patterns and conditions in this fast-growing city. With the increasing number of vehicles on the roads, it is essential to have professionals who can effectively manage and optimize the flow of traffic. These surveyors are equipped with the necessary skills and tools to conduct comprehensive traffic surveys and gather data on various aspects such as vehicle counts, speed, congestion, and accident rates. One of the primary responsibilities of traffic surveyors in Jaewar Noida is to collect accurate data on traffic volume and patterns. They use advanced technologies such as automatic traffic counters, video cameras, and radar guns to monitor the movement of vehicles at different locations. This data is then analyzed to identify areas of congestion or bottlenecks, which can help in devising effective traffic management strategies. By studying the data collected over a period of time, these surveyors can also identify trends and patterns that can assist in future planning and development of road infrastructure. In addition to collecting data, traffic surveyors in Jaewar Noida also conduct surveys to gather information on driver behavior and preferences. These surveys can include questionnaires or interviews with drivers to understand their travel patterns, reasons for choosing certain routes, and their opinions on existing traffic management measures. This information is valuable in designing road networks that cater to the specific needs of the drivers and ensure smooth traffic flow. Another crucial aspect of the work of traffic surveyors in Jaewar Noida is conducting safety audits and assessments. They analyze accident data to identify high-risk areas and recommend measures to improve road safety. In this rapidly expanding metropolis, Jaewar Noida, traffic surveyors play a critical role in keeping track of and examining traffic patterns and conditions. It is crucial to have people who can efficiently manage and optimize the flow of traffic, given the growing number of vehicles on the roadways. These surveyors have the training and equipment needed to carry out thorough traffic studies and collect information on a variety of topics, including vehicle counts, speed, congestion, and accident rates. Accurately gathering information on traffic volume and trends is one of the main duties of traffic surveyors in Jaewar Noida. To track the flow of vehicles at various sites, they employ cutting-edge technologies including automatic traffic counters, video cameras, and radar guns. These details are then. This may include installing traffic signals, speed limit signs, pedestrian crossings, or implementing traffic calming measures. The goal is to minimize accidents and create a safer environment for all road users. In conclusion, traffic surveyors in Jaewar Noida play a vital role in managing and optimizing the flow of traffic in this rapidly developing city. Their expertise in data collection, analysis, and road safety assessments contribute to improving traffic conditions and ensuring the safety of all road users. With their valuable insights,